Good morning, everyone. It's a science period. So, everybody will open your science NCERT book. Today, we are going to start chapter 13 Fun with Magnets. Aim of the lesson to learn about magnets, to learn about magnetic and non-magnetic material, to understand about the poles of a magnet, to know about the properties of magnets, to know about the uses of magnets. So before explaining the chapter, we will discuss few difficult words. Attraction, the opposite pole sticking to one another. Compass, device used to find direction. Demagnetized, loss of magnetic power. Magnesia, place where magnetite was first discovered. Magnet, any material that has the property of attracting iron. Magnetic substances, substance that are attracted by a magnet. Magnetite, natural magnet. Non-magnetic substances, substances which are not attracted by a magnet. North pole, the end of a magnet that points north when the magnet is freely suspended. Repulsion, two similar poles going away from one another. South pole, the end of a magnet that points south when the magnet is freely suspended. Discovery of magnet. A long time ago in northern Greece, in a place called Magnesia, a shepherd was herding his sheep. He used to take his herd of sheep and goats to a nearby mountain for grazing. He would take a stick with him to control his herd. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end, so he had to pull hard to free his stick from rock. Then he dug up the earth to find a black rock which stuck iron things to it. It is believed that because of magnesia, the rock is called magnetite, and that rock was magnet. So what is a magnet? Magnet is a material or object that produce a magnetic field. This magnetic field is invisible and attracts some material towards itself, example iron. Magnetic material. So what is magnetic material? Material which get attracted towards the magnet are called magnetic material. Example iron, nickel, cobalt. Non-magnetic material, material which do not get attracted towards magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Examples are paper, wood, plastic, etc. Now we discuss the difference between non-magnetic substances and magnetic substances. Magnetic materials or substances. Materials that are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic material. Material that are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic material. Second point Objects made of materials such as iron, cobalt and nickel are magnetic objects. Non-magnetic material. Modern coins are made of uniform mixture of different metals, so they become non-magnetic. Example: iron fillings, nail, key, metal, metal washer, spade, needle and metal door handle. But non-magnetic material: rubber, coins, straw, feather, leather, wood, etc. Poles of a magnet. Every magnet has two poles, and poles always exist in a pair. The end of magnet pointing north is called the North Pole, and while the other end is called South Pole. There are no single pole. A magnet always exists in north and south direction. Even if the poles of a magnet are not marked, you can suspend the magnet freely and find that the north-seeking end of a magnet will be North Pole and the other end to the South Pole, as you are seeing in this picture. The poles of a magnet. The region of a magnet where the attraction of a magnet is the strongest are called poles of the magnet. The two poles of a magnet are near its free end. The two poles of the magnet are always different. One pole of the magnet is called North Pole and then other pole of the magnet is called South Pole. The North Pole and South Pole of a magnet always exist together. Like pole repel and unlike poles attract each other. Now you are seeing in this picture, opposite poles attract, but the same poles repel with each other. Finding directions. A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in north-south direction. This property has been used from olden days to find direction. Compass. Compass is a device used to find direction. Now if you observe, this is compass. It has a magnetic needle that can rotate freely. When a compass is kept at a place, the magnetic needle aligns in north-south direction. Red arrows of compass needle is termed as North Pole and the other end as South Pole. Precaution while using magnet. Factors that cause loss of magnetic properties includes: number 1, magnet lose their properties if they are heating. Second, it become weak if not stored properly. Third one, it should not be hammered like this, otherwise it will lose its property. Uses of magnet. Children, you know that it is used in compass to find direction. It is used in factories for lifting heavy mass of rain. It is used to separate iron and steel from non-magnetic material. So children, now this chapter is over. Maybe I think the concept is clear to you. So now it's a simple assignment. So after completing this chapter, everybody will solve this assignment. Thank you. children? Maybe I hope you are able to understand this chapter.